The first thing is that there is no such thing called as a partial autopsy.
Okay.
Right? Because see, I have talked to people multiple times. It can be either my patients who are requesting me to do a partial autopsy, or when I'm having a discussion, they say that no, the autopsy was done in a partial way. There is nothing called as a partial autopsy. You cannot do a partial autopsy. Partial autopsy means incomplete autopsy.
Okay.
Right? So an autopsy has a set procedure, and all of those things need to be done. Now, how you are going to do those things, that might vary from person to person, right? I might look at a case without removing any organs from the body, right? The organs will be inside the body. I'll dissect it within the body and pack the body and send it off. That is valid. I can take the organs out and examine and then replace them and send it back as well. That too is valid, right? But can I specifically examine certain organs and then leave out other organs? No, I cannot.
Okay.
That cannot be done. So when patients request this, then also the thing is that there is no partial autopsy. And same thing goes for, and people who argue against this or say that no things can be done like that, they often quote Indira Gandhi's case as a case. So Indira Gandhi had around I think, if I'm not wrong, 28 or 30 bullets in her body after her death. So the doctor who was doing the autopsy, out of respect for the leader. Right, he left certain bullets within the body. He did not remove all the bullets, because see, removing all the bullets will disfigure the person, right? So again, she's a leader of the country, right? So you cannot do that to a leader. So taking that into consideration, he kept certain bullets in situ. See, now that is a special consideration in a very, very unusual situation. But that cannot become daily, day-to-day job, day-to-day work. It doesn't work like that. So that is one myth that I want to dispel, that there is something known as a partial autopsy. There is nothing called as a partial autopsy.